Someone jokes at you in a way that crosses the line. You laugh, then complain later, then keeps hanging out. Their brain learns it's safe to do again. If you lost respect, most people try the wrong fix. They talk more, they explain more, they try to be extra nice. But respect doesn't come back from long speeches. Respect comes back when people see one thing clearly. You have standards, and you stick to them. That's the psychology. People don't treat you by what you mean. They treat you by what you allow. Here's how. The human brain works in social life. It learns fast from patterns. If someone jokes at you, crosses a line, or wastes your time, and nothing happens, their brain saves a message. This is okay. Not because they are evil, because the brain is like a training machine. It repeats what works. So, if disrespect works once, it will come again. In most cases, respect drops because of three things. First, you keep saying, "It's fine," when it's not fine. You stay quiet to avoid conflict. You smile to keep peace. You forgive too fast. Over time, people learn your no is soft. And when your no is soft, your value looks soft too. Second, you over-explain. When someone disrespects you, you feel hurt, and you start trying to convince them to understand you. Respect grows when your words are simple and firm, not long and emotional. Third, you become too available. Always replying fast, always adjusting your plans, always saying yes. Your time starts looking cheap, even if you are a good person. People respect what has limits. Now, how do you earn respect back using psychology? You change the pattern. Not with anger, not with drama, with calm actions that teach a new rule. Here's the key. Respect is built by consequences. A consequence is not punishment. It's just what happens next. It can be small, but it must be real. Let's make this simple. You need three things: clear words, calm tone, and follow through. Someone makes a joke that hits your dignity. Old you laughs, then feels bad later. New you says, "Don't talk to me like that." Then you stop the conversation. You don't argue. You don't keep talking. You change the room, change the topic, or you leave. That is psychology. Their brain learns. When I do that, I lose access. This is important. When you change your behavior, some people will test you more at first. They will push harder. They want to see if you're serious. This is normal. Most people fail here. They go back to the old version of themselves because they feel guilty or scared of losing the relationship. But if you stay calm and consistent, people update their behavior. That's how respect returns. Now let's talk about a big mistake: trying to look tough. Respect is not about acting rude. It's about being stable. A respected person is predictable in a good way. People know where the line is. People know you mean what you say. That stability makes you look strong, even if you are quiet. So, earning respect back is not magic. It's a clean message you send again and again. This is what I accept. This is what I don't accept. And this is what happens if it continues. If you do this, two things happen. The right people respect you more. The wrong people leave. And that's not a loss. That's a filter. If you like this, subscribe to ClearGrit, because here we don't chase motivation. We build a mindset no one can play with.